Hi, my name is Nadia George. Today I'm going to talk about temperature with Vernier. Presentation flow. This project is about description, concepts, learn, temperature with Vernier, fun aspects, challenges, solving challenges out of class. Project description. This project is like a simple the world sensor designed to measure temperature in the range of 200 to the sensor connected to a Vernier interface in order to collect data on your device. Concept island is how to use Vernier temperature sensor and how to experimental variable effect temperature and I also learned how to conduct and experiment using the scientific method. My fun aspect is working with temperature with Vernier and created a simple object using temperature. But I don't really have fun with this project because it takes me a lot of time to do it. I hope on the next project I have fun on it. So challenges. My challenge is how to choose from 12 experiments that use Vernier probes and software to measure and analyze temperature data for many real-world situation. You must be surprised by how many things affect the temperature of object and how to those temperature change influence many things I take for graded. Solving challenges. My solving challenges is how to create a temperature with Vernier. It's not easy to do it, so it takes me a lot of time to do it. So I know it's not perfect, but I try. Out of classroom. And now I'm going to speak a little bit French because I don't really speak English. Out of classroom is hors de la connexion en classe et savoir comment utiliser la température avec Vernier. Comment collecter des données sur le graphique et vous pouvez utiliser l'objet sans ordinateur. Thank you. This is my project, Nadia George.